this is Jo from Maths Tutor Me. Today we're doing equations and we're moving on to two-step equations. So hopefully you've mastered the one-step equation and the doing it the same to both sides approach. So today it's the same method, doing the same to both sides, but we're going to be doing 2 steps to get the answer. So in the examples here, we want to solve number 1, 9a minus 2 is equal to 25. So it's 2 steps because there are 2 numbers that are with the a. So the thing you need to work out is which number do you need to move away first. So if you remember doing the backtracking, you learnt to build up the expression. A is multiplied by 9 and then we subtract the 2. Okay, so then we will need to go in the reverse order to get back down to the a. So that means the first thing we need to do is move this 2. So to move it, to get rid of it, we do the inverse, which is to add 2 to both sides. Gets rid of that. So we have 9a is equal to 27. Now, obviously, the only number left is the 9, so I need to get rid of that one. That is multiplied with the a, so the opposite is to divide by 9 to get rid of it. So a is equal to 27 divided by 9, which is 3. So can you see the 2 steps? There's one step where we had to add the 2 and the second step where we had to divide the 9. Let's try it again for question 2. b over 6 plus 8 is equal to 15. So b has been divided by 6, then we add the 8 to get 15. So the reverse order, the 8 has to go first. The inverse will be to subtract the 8 from both sides. So that means b minus 6 is equal to 15 minus 8, which is 7. Then I need to move this 6 away. That's divided at the moment. That's a divide. b divide by 6. So I need to multiply by 6. So b is finally by itself, and 7 times 6 is 42. For question 3, we have 10c minus 9 is equal to 61. So the first thing to move will be the 9, where I need to add 9 to both sides. 10c is equal to 70. Then that's 10 times by c, so I need to divide by 10. c is equal to 70 divided by 10, which is 7. Question 4. We have 7d minus 3.4 is equal to 3.9. So you may need your calculator. When we're doing decimals, a calculator might be important. So the rules still apply though. First of all, I'm going to have to add the 3.4 to both sides. Okay, we can cancel that away so that we have d over 7 is equal to 3.9 plus 3.4. You might know that, or you might want to use a calculator. 7.3. Then we need to get rid of this 7. So it's divided at the moment. So inverse is to times by 7. So d is equal to 7.3 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 51.1. Question 5. e minus 7 all over 3 is equal to 5. Now, we actually have to do this 3 first because when building this expression, e, take away the 7, is all, that's all going to be divided by 3. So this must go first. So times the 3 to both sides. e minus 7 is equal to 15. Then we need to add 7. Gets rid of that. e is equal to 22. And for question 6, 3f over 2 is equal to minus 12. First of all, we would want to times the 2 to both sides. so that 3f is equal to minus 12 times 2. A minus times a positive makes a negative. 2 times 12 is 24. Then we divide by 3 to get rid of that. F is by itself. A minus divided by a positive will give me a negative answer. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Okay, time for you to have a practice of doing two-step equations. Pause the video and give these questions a go. Restart to see if you got them all right. So 6g minus 9 is equal to 33. First of all, we need to add the 9. So 6g is equal to 42. Then we would need to divide by 6 to find out that g is equal to 7. Question 2, h plus 8 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So first of all, you need to times by 3. H plus 8 is equal to 12. And then we can subtract the 8. So it's important that you get the order right of which number to start with. So h equals 4. Question 3, 3j plus 4.2, 3j minus 4.2 is equal to 1.8. So first of all, we need to add the 4.2 to both sides. So that will give us 3j is equal to 6. So the decimals disappear. Then we want to divide by 3. So j is equal to 2. Question 4, k over 5 plus 1 is equal to minus 7. First number that you need to move is the 1. So I need to subtract 1. K over 5 is equal to minus 7 minus another 1 is minus 8. Then I need to multiply by 5. K is equal to minus times a positive makes a minus. 8 times 5 is 40. Question 5, 7m plus 4 is equal to 25. We need to move the 4 first, so subtract 4. 7m is equal to 21. Then we need to divide by 7. M is equal to 3. Last question, 5n over 6 is equal to 10. First of all, times by 6 to get 5n is equal to 60, and then divide by 5. N is equal to 12. Okay, that's the end of our lesson today on two-step equations. Keep practicing and join me again next time. Bye.